You want to be cool? You got to dress like the cool kids. Look at these adorable new chunky sneakers. Yeah, it's what all the young people are wearing now. I got these at yeswevibe.com. Yes We Vibe is a company that strives to spread good vibes, smiles, and inspiration all around the world, and that's where I bought these. This is like a watercolor, hippie tie-dye kind of print. I love these chunky sneakers because they come in amazing colors. They have a high quality EVA sole for traction and exceptional durability. They're extremely lightweight. The fabric is actually a mesh fabric, so it breathes really well. They have these laces that you can kind of tie them up and they can be super snug for extra comfort. And you know this style is super in now. You see all of the celebrities wearing these chunky sneakers, so go get your own at yeswevibe.com.